I'm Eddie Latham.
I'm PJ from Velocity Electronics, based in Cambridge.
And we sell predominantly electronics. Initially, when we met each other at work, we absolutely hated each other. And then one day we sat down and we said, let's start a business. And that journey was started on eBay. What we wanted to try and do is try and buy unique products. So products where we could buy all the remaining stock. So we bought 3,000 Belkin rucksacks that were delivered to PJ's 2-bedroom house on 25 pallets.
The day after Eddie's 30th birthday. So I think Eddie likes to believe that he woke up and actually came to my house and unloaded the lorry with me and my girlfriend at the time. When we started 6 years ago, we envisaged the sales going up, £100, £200 at a time, but actually in our first Christmas, and still working full time at this point, selling on eBay, we turned over £140,000 in a month. We turned over our first £1 million year within 2 years, and now we've got a business that turns over 25 million.
We have created our own range of radios and other household audio devices. All the radios are named after places in Cambridge.
Last year we had the second biggest brand of DAB radios throughout Christmas.
And we're very proud to say that the majority range is now in over 1 million homes. I guess what we want to do is then take what we've learned in the UK and try and expand that throughout Europe.
So the great thing about eBay is its reach. People from Australia, Switzerland, Denmark have all ordered DAB radios from us. One of our largest UK customers is Britta, and they work very closely with the Marine Conservation Society. Recently we launched a UK exclusive where actually 10% of the product goes directly to the Marine Conservation Society. We also work closely with Global Make Some Noise, who are a radio charity.
The difference we find with eBay, and the reason why we love working with eBay, is because they look after both the customers buying the products and also the market people that sell on the marketplace. We feel like they're engaged with us, we feel like they want to work with us, and they feel like they've taken time to understand our business.
I get to spend a lot of time with a lot of amazing people, namely Eddie. We've built a business from scratch and it's surpassed anything I could have ever dreamed of, so thank you eBay.